Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we will building a TinkerCad project called as Smart Door Lock System using Arduino UNO 4x4 keypad, a LCD display, servo motor, and a buzzer. So imagine if you could build your own smart door lock system using just an Arduino keypad and a servo motor. So in this video, I will show you how to create a complete password-based door lock system step by step using TinkerCAD simulation. So if you are a robotics student, Arduino beginner, or preparing for a science exhibition, this project is perfect for you. So let's get started. For this one, you have to open the TinkerCAD website and you have to click on Create button, then Circuits. After that, wait for a while, let it be load. Now, when the platform is loaded, let's bring back some instruments over here. So for that, I will be sharing this PDF document, Google document in my description box. You can open this document to perfectly design your circuit. And at last, I have provided a code also, the C++ code. Okay, I have provided the code also. You can use that code also. Okay. For that one, we have to bring one Arduino board, a keypad, one buzzer, LCD display, and servo motor. LCD display and servo motor. Okay. Let me make the wiring first. Okay, now the circuitry is completed. You have to refer the circuit from the document which I have provided you in the description box. Follow the circuit connections step by step for connecting your peripherals to the Arduino board. Okay, when you have completed the circuitry, you have to upload the code. For code, you can again refer the document which I have provided you. Scroll down, you can find the whole code from here. You have to copy the entire code from here and paste it on the code section in the TinkerCAD. Open the text mode only text mode, then paste it over here. Now, after pasting the code, you have to change one setting in the display for turning on the display. For this one, you have to select on the display, select the display first, then change the type of display. By default, it will be selected MCP23008, but you have to select PCF type and address is 0 cross 27. Only then it will work. Now you have to do when all the coding and the setting part is completed, click on the start simulation button. Let me shrink it a little bit. Start simulation button, click on the start simulation button, wait for a while. Now it is showing enter password and your by default password is 123 4. After that you have to enter hash. Now it is showing open and the servo motor rotates 180 degree. When the correct password is entered, the door will open by rotating the servo motor 180 degrees. If the password is wrong, the buzzer will turn on and the LCD will show a warning message. Okay, let me enter the wrong code here. Hash. Now you see, the buzzer is starting making noise when I have entered the wrong password and the display is showing wrong password. And when you enter a correct password like 123 4 and hash, it is showing open and just after 5 seconds it will automatically close the door and start blinking enter password. Okay. I hope the circuitry is totally clear with you, and the functioning of the project is totally clear. Now, coming on the coding part. Now here is the code. I know it is a bit messy to understand the code, so I will upload a follow-up video for explaining this code only. Okay. Now for the coding explanation, I will update one more video on my channel. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.